All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I have these 4 cases here in front of you from the case company Clayco. Now these are the Xenon models that they are making for the S22 Ultra. So I have my dummy model unit here that I've been using for case reviews, and in this video I'm gonna put each of these colors on this dummy model to show you exactly what the color is gonna look like instead of just going off of the stock photos on Amazon or their website. Now, all of these are going to run anywhere from around $14.99 to $15.99, just depending on the color that you choose. Now, right now on Amazon, there is Prime shipping with those. So like I said, if you do want to buy these after watching this video, do follow my affiliate links down in the description. So let's go ahead and just scooch this over to the side real quick. And let me just show you each of these real quick before we put them on. So as far as this one, this is the blue color. So a very vibrant, bright blue. And flipping it over, guys, as you can see, this case has a built-in screen protector. So I didn't take the wrapping off yet because I wanted to do that in this video just to show y'all. And as you can see here, it says peel off. So you are able to use your ultrasonic fingerprint scanner as well with this case. But with this one, the shell on the inside is a little bit of a lighter, brighter blue instead of the deeper royal blue. So that's the blue there. And then now let's go ahead and take a peek at the pink. So the pink one is a very bright bubblegum pink kind of color. So definitely very bright. And on the inside here, the actual harder shell is more of a lighter pink. So there's pink. And then now we have purple, which the purple is unfortunately not a deep purple. It's more of a lilac kind of purple color, which I would have much rather had a deeper purple, but lilac it is. And the shell actually pretty much matches the interior color and exterior color. So all of the colors match up for the lilac. And then we got my favorite black. So black is always going to be the case I usually go with. But as you can see here, it's black with that built-in shell there, where the actual hard plastic shell is a little bit of a different black, but still black. So that's the look. Now, all of these cases are going to be a TPU material on the outside, very flexible material to get this shell out. As you can see here in the corner, literally you just kind of push and separate it. It's very easy to separate these two pieces here, and that is it. So just to show you the inside of the case, it is exactly the same material on the outside. So it's a very flexible TPU material. On the inside, we do have the same material. Kind of has this little pattern here with the Clayco logo there. It says Clayco there, and then it says designed in USA, made in China. Now on the inside, on the corners, we are getting some little cushions there to help with drop protection. So it is going to definitely help your phone. It's just nice because it's a complete 360 case. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the S22 Ultra inside of this case. But first things first, we need to deal with the front. So as you can see here, it says protective film to be peeled off. So what we're going to do is slide that out. Okay, so that's number 1. And then the front has a little tab here, and we're going to peel this one off. All right. And then now we have this peel off sticker that's inside, and we're going to just kind of try to use our fingers to peel this thing off. I'm trying not to do it too harshly because, you know, you don't want to mess it up. And there we go. And as you can see, that little spot there is going to be where you're actually able to do your fingerprint scanner. So yeah, but let's go ahead and put the phone in. Once again, guys, this is a dummy model, so I'm not going to be able to test the capabilities of the actual fingerprint reader, but I've seen plenty of videos to know it works just fine. So once you have it installed, then all you're going to do, guys, is literally just put it in. So there is no science to it. There is no special way. You're literally just going to push it in, and as you can see where it's like bulging on the sides, just like an OtterBox case, you're just going to start pushing against it, and it's going to start forming to that harder inner shell, and that is all she wrote. So literally, that's it. No problem at all. All right, so one thing to point out, guys, is I messed up. As you can see here, you got this ugly square here. So I'm gonna take this off. So as you can see, it's super easy to uninstall as well. And I'm gonna pop the phone out. But this extra piece here, oh, looks like it actually stuck to my phone. So you do need to remove that as well. I thought it was an unusual design, but now you can kind of see that circle barely being noticeable now. So now let's go ahead and put it back on. So now we get a full understanding of what it actually should look like. So my apologies for that. But same thing, guys, you just form it on, push, 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 super easy. And that is all she wrote. Now looking at the front, now you don't see that big ugly square, but you do have a circle there where your finger will go for your ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. So at least you got a screen protector built in, but you can also still use that fingerprint. Now looking at the back here, we have a cool kind of two-tone look, right? So we have a very soft to the touch silicone kind of like TPU material on the back here. But then we also have the faux carbon fiber at the top and the bottom. And it does say Clayco here, and looks pretty nice. You got a nice little cutout there for the lenses on the back. As you can see, it is a lip that is definitely going to protect them, so they are recessed in there very nicely. So no issues at all with that. But once again, that's the look of it there. Now looking at the sides here, this is the look of the side. The power button does have some teeth, and the volume up and down has plus and minus, and they are raised. Here at the bottom, we have a square cutout for the Type-C port and mic and our speakers and our S Pen. And then here on the side, nothing. And then at the top, just a cutout for the mic up top. Now at the front, we do have some raised lips on the forehead and chin that are a little more prominent. Now the sides also do have some lips, but obviously with it being a waterfall display, obviously it's not completely flat, so it is going to be a lot more prominent on the forehead and chin. But that's the look there. And then that's kind of the look there where the cutout for the camera and then for your speaker up top. So that's the look of the black. So now let's go ahead and put on the blue. So there it is installed. Looks pretty nice, a very bright blue, but just gonna show you real quick just to see it. So once again, you got the carbon fiber styling there that's in blue, the branding, all that good stuff. Looks pretty nice, that Phantom Black kind of two-tone look here. The buttons there on the side, the bottom for the cutouts, which you can kind of see on the inside there, the outer shell lighter blue shining through there. And then the side there, the top, that's the look of the front. So you have, like I said, that little two-tone differences of the light blue and the more like a Carolina blue and this royal blue. So that is blue. So now let's do pink. And there we have it. So pink looks pretty good if you are a fan of pink. It's very bubblegum colored. But once again, carbon fiber look there, the bottom, the sides, the bottom again, this side, the top, the front. So that's where the different two tones are going to come into play. So you got that hot pink bubblegum color and then a very light pink, very like a antique pink or whatever you want to call it. But that's the look of the front and the back. So last but not least, purple. And there we go. So purple is very light purple. It's not a deep, rich purple like a Northwestern purple or like a TCU purple, but it is a very light purple, very lilac color. Once again, got your carbon fiber top and bottom, Clayco there, the camera bump, the sides, boom, boom, boom. The front, and the shell is pretty much identical as far as the color goes, so looks very close to it. But there you go, guys. There are the 4 cases from Clayco, from the Xenon lineup that they have here for the S22 Ultra. Like I said, 14 to 15 bucks as far as the range goes. You are going to be able to wirelessly charge them, so they are Qi wireless charging compatible. They are reverse power sharing compatible and NFC. No issues at all with Google Pay and Samsung Pay. The buttons are clicky from everything that I've seen so far, But like I said, this video sole's purpose was to show you the colors and just give you a really good idea of what they look like installed. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. We'll see you on the next one.